All right, so we're gonna get the baseline for Mayra. We gotta get the measurements to see her progress. So I'm gonna measure everything.
It's August 2nd, 2020.
Yes, we're gonna do the measurements. Then we're gonna do the physical test. Assessment.
Oh, what physical test? Okay, I didn't sign up for that.
Do tricep.
Okay, flex.
No, relax.
So this is a certified trainer, so I'm gonna try. We're gonna also see how.
10.5 inches.
Is that good? What? This one's more big than this?
Let's do
I'm tempted to suck in my son.
relax. Step out. Quad.
Quarter for this. This 18.5? How is that possible? Alright, let's go to the gym.
All right, we are here in the gym to do the physical activity level test. Right, first, let's do a squat. So I want you to first keep two things in mind. I want your arms in line with your head. There's some weakness in the shoulders, causing her arms to fall down, and her head is not in line with her back.
I know what you're doing here. My arms are coming down, I can feel it. 1, 2, 3.
You want to see that the knees are following the lines of the toes, mid-toe, and that the thigh is reaching parallel to the ground.
That's 5.
That's good. Okay, next thing we do a push-up.
Oh, can I use my knees?
Yeah, we'll do your knees for now.
Okay.
And up. Do as many as you can.
Okay. 1.
So the first push-up, we can see that the top half of the torso came out before the lower half, indicating weak core. You don't have to touch. We'll see in these later reps that her shoulders are limiting her again, and the weak core is now allowing her to reach that depth.
Okay.
Is that it? You're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just see if you can do a pull-up. Yeah, at this stage.
I need some chalk.
Mayra, you don't need chalk.
You didn't know I was going to do that, did you? Sorry, Chris. I had to do that.
So you got?
Yeah.
Okay, get down.
I'm sorry. I can't do it anymore. Young conversation. No.
So you got?
That's it.
Okay. Good.
Now what?
Stop. So this is the baseline. We'll test these later.